I'm on top of Bird Benchmark, which is near the Bird High Point, which is over there. I've done that before, but I always felt guilty. I never made the walk over to Bird Benchmark, so here I am. There's views of the city. The Sheep Range, Red Rock Spring Mountains, Mount Potosi. Down below Potosi is that recent fire here. This is Cottonwood Valley. And it's a dark area. Kind of like right here. And then there's Potosi. Shenandoah Peak. This is looking south towards Clark Mountain, Devil, Little Devil, State Line, Jean, Good Springs. There's the state line over there. I like this range, it's really beautiful. Lots of solitude. Very warm today, but cooler than normal.